Hello and welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, where we're looking at park models. We have a beautiful Summit 355FL-LOFT. This is a blue trailer with white trim, and the greatest thing about these, their retail price, $49.9. Come on down, we got two left. This one blue and white. It's got lights on the eaves, and it's got a entry light by the patio door, 20-gallon electric hot water heater. It's got plank PVC flooring on the entire main floor, 6-foot vinyl patio door. It's got a built-in fireplace. I got the fireplace going. There's your entertainment center. You got a rocker recliner, Mastercraft rocker recliner. You have an end table and a lamp. You have a sleeper sofa. You've got a table with 4 chairs. There's storage underneath the chairs. There's storage underneath the stairs too. See the doors back there? Here's the kitchen area. Kitchen, you got overhead cabinets. Stainless steel single lever faucet, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Check out this bathroom. Fiberglass, one-piece fiberglass tub surround, shower or a tub. Take your pick. Medicine cabinet, vanity. Of course, the full-size toilet. This is the PVC flooring. It looks like 10-inch square linoleum, but it's not. Got a nice pantry in the hall here. Let me get a good view of it. Let me move over here. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, look at the pantry. And a lot of shelves. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Got a couple storage cabinets above, 18.5 cubic foot fridge. The bedroom is, they come with a queen and a bedspread. This has a Serta Queen mattress with the bedspread, a nightstand and a lamp. This is the Coastal Bay interior, so it's got the white cabinets. A lot of white in here makes it feel bigger and cleaner and larger. That'll fit either way. That's what I was going to say. It fits either way, and you could also fit a king in here. So this is a queen, but you could definitely have room for a king. Now the drawers all have full extension ball bearing drawer guides just like that, so you have access to the entire drawer. The closets have lights in them. Nice big closet. It's got the traditional his and hers wardrobe. You've got 8 drawers and 4 doors. Another nice feature is the electrical panel. It's located behind the mirror here, and everything clearly marked. There you go. Everything's clear. So to recap, and we'll go look at the loft. Got a slider door in the master bedroom. You got a nice hall pantry. You got tall closets. You got up high cabinets, overhead cabinets by the sink. You got 6 drawers over there. This 5-burner range, that's nicer than the stove I have at home, and the 30-inch microwave. So let's go look at the loft. It's just your basic loft, but it covers half of the trailer. Now this is the only carpet, is in the stairs and the loft. That's the only place you're going to find carpet in this trailer. And there you go. Loft height is, I don't know, I'd say 4 feet. Sounds about right. 5 feet's the max, but this doesn't have the step down. So anyhow, nice big loft there. A Coastal Bay interior. It's very bright in here. You can see, got the ceiling fan. A lot of the light comes in. If you got any questions or need some more information, call Kelly at 815-849-9089. Welcome to come and look. Again, this one is $49.9. I love saying that because that's like a 10-year ago price for a loft. Yeah, that's how bad it is. That's right. Okay, so heading on through here. One last peek in case you had any questions. We'll even look at the bathroom. Fiberglass tub surround with the shower. Yes. And over here, toilet, sink, vanity, medicine cabinet, walk around queen, hall closet. Just really too many features to keep track of. Have a great day. We'll show you the next trailer. Goodbye for now. Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction, where we're looking at park models today. This is a Summit, and it's called a 355FL, and it has a loft and a full extended dormer. It's unit number 5691, and it's heritage blue with white trim. Let's take a little walk around it, and then we'll go inside it and check it out. As you can see, we got plenty of inventory here. I'm trying to get through them all. Get the videos up so people can get these babies purchased in the off season and be ready for camping next year. A lot of people call these tiny houses, but in all honesty, tiny house doesn't have nothing to do with the park model. This is what's called a park model RV. So we're going on inside, and I'll show you the features that are common to most of them, if not all of them. Number one, everything in them stays in them. This one has a swivel rocker. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. It's a rocker recliner. They all have a hide-a-bed sofa. Lots of them will have this nice built-in fireplace. This one has nice PVC plank flooring throughout on the entire main floor. It even carries through into the master bedroom. So the only carpet is in the stairs and the loft. So that works out really well for a lot of people, and we find that they're well received when we build them like that. So it's about a half loft, and there's plenty of room up here for probably 2 to 3 king-size beds anyway. So anyhow, I'll show you the kitchen. Overview of the living room. They all have a table and 4 chairs. The chairs actually all have storage underneath of them. You got a 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, lots of shelving, cabinetry. Check it out. Full extension, ball bearing drawer guides. Let's go. It's got a hall pantry, self-closing hinges. I don't know if you caught that, but self-closing hinges. Heading on in here, this is the bath. It's the shower and the fiberglass tub surround. You got a vanity and a medicine cabinet. Storage under the vanity. So heading on in to the master suite. It's a nice big master suite with the queen bed and bedspread. It's got the latest and greatest Quail Ridge and Summit wardrobe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 drawers and 4 doors. How about that? And they're lit so you can see what's in your closet. And you have a makeup mirror. And here's what else is cool. You've got your circuit breaker panel behind, all clearly marked. So if you ever wonder where your circuit panel is, it's likely behind your mirror. Well, I got several more trailers to film. Hope you enjoyed my video. I like making them for people, and I seem to get a lot of positive comments. 6-foot vinyl patio door. Oh, what else can I say? Come on down and get one of these. I got 3 355FLs in stock. They're going to be my price leader this year. And we're likely going to sell 10 or 12 of them because they are an excellent value. Excellent. Anyhow, call Kelly if you have any questions. This is unit number 5691.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.